So this ad right here, I made it in less than 10 minutes. No camera, no actor, no studio, just AI and a simple process I'm going to break down for you today. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make one yourself. So first of all, you need to know or understand what UGC ad means. UGC stands for user generated content. Basically, it is those ads you see on Instagram or TikTok that look like a normal person is just talking about a product. Brands love this because they feel real. People trust them more than regular ads, and that's exactly why companies are paying creators anywhere from $50 to $500 just to create these videos. The problem is usually finding a model, recording, editing. It takes time and money. But with AI, you can create the whole thing yourself, same look, same feel, in minutes. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. The first step is to create your own influencer. Think of this as someone who's going to be in your ad, who's going to be making your advert for you, right? Now, this is what you need to decide to design your AI influencer. You need to consider the appearance. We have the gender, the age, the ethnicity, the background or setting, the style and outfits of what your influencer is going to be putting on. Later in this video, I'm going to share with you how to access this prompt, right? When you come down to the prompts template, you see this particular template that I've already put down here. The outfit, the setting is this, the camera placement and all of that. So if you check the beginning part of the template, you can see that I already designed a form which you can use as a guide to create your AI influencer, the age, the gender, the ethnicity, background, style, outfit. So how do you want the background to look like? Do you want it to be a minimalist bedroom, busy cafe, whatever it is? You just need to take note of that. Then we have the style and the outfit. This is a typical example we're going to be using right here. So I'm going to copy this prompt now. Here's the prompt right in ChatGPT, and we'll hit the generate. You are free to use any image generator of choice. You can decide to use ChatGPT. You can use that. You can use Google Flow. So let's try this on Google Flow, and let's see what it's going to give us. I'm just going to come over to this part and change the model to Nano Banana Pro and make sure it's a 9:16. Videos like this are usually in 9:16 aspect ratio. So I put on 9:16 and then I paste this right here. So I'll send this and wait for the response. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and see what we got. So right here, see what we got. This is so beautiful. I'll just download it and save my device. Okay, so now let's check what we got. This is also good. The next step is to create or place your product. If you're going to be creating your product from the scratch using AI, then you can use this particular template. We have the product name, the product category. Is it a skincare product, tech gadget, a supplement, whatever it is, you note that. Then we have the product visuals. Describe the packaging, color, label, text, the positioning in the frame. You can ask AI to help you with all of this information. So if you have a product picture already, you don't need this part. You can just keep this first part of this step, right? But we're going to be creating a product. I'm going to show you how to do that, right? Now you scroll down to this part of the template and copy this prompts, then come over to flow, paste the prompts, right? Gather from the templates part, the form part of step 2, right? So it contains the brand name, the name of the product and all of that. So we leave our model. Our model still remains Google Nano Banana Pro, and we are leaving it at 9:16 for the aspect ratio. And we'll click on 1x and then we'll send. Here we go. Look at the results. So make sure the texts are visible enough, are visible and clear. Confirm there are no mistakes on the text, right? If there are mistakes, you just highlight it and tell it to rewrite the text for you, right? So I think this is okay. You just click on this part, upscale to 2K, and then download on your device. Let's move on to the second part of the second step. That's we're going to copy this particular prompt. This prompt helps to place the product in the influencer's end. That is, makes the influencer own the product. So we're coming over here and right here, we're going to click on the influencer. I'm going to upload my influencer. I won't be using this one. I want to use the photo I generated from ChatGPT. So I'll just click on this plus sign, upload this image I got from ChatGPT like this. And once it's uploaded, I'm going to click on this part, these three dots, add to prompt. I'll also add the product to prompt. So we're going to paste the prompts here and each generate. So you can see that it has generated the influencer holding the products. And we're going to download that and save that as one shot. Step three, creating the UGC ad itself. So we have this under step three, the voice personality. How do you want your influencer or ad to sound? The accent or language, either Nigerian, American, British, the vibe or mood. So you have to choose the one that applies, whether enthusiastic, business or professional, relatable or everyday, calm or soothing, urgent, funny, humorous, and all of this. Then the motion and direction. The camera motion, do you want it static? Do you want slow push in, slow push out, handheld drift, pan left to right, slight tilt down? The eye direction, do you want your influencer to look into the camera, to look at the product, look into the streets, or, depends on what you want to create. Then we have the dialogues or action. So we're going to be creating about 6 shots depending on the script. So we have bit one, bit two, bit three, bit four, bit five. So the first bit, this is an example. Should the influencer hold the product up, look on the camera and say, if you don't have an idea, just go ahead and copy this particular prompt, right? And then we go to ChatGPT and paste. Now within the same conversation, we'll just paste right here and send. Okay, so you can see the first one. It should be done. It's now broken down into scenes, as you can see from here. Okay, so I already have a script that I want to follow that I've created before now. I'm going to copy what we have in shot one like this and head over to Grok. Now click on imagine and then click on this plus sign to bring in the image. The one she's holding the products. Click open. Copy the first shot with the details, come back to Grok and paste. So right here, make sure it's on video. Then doing resolution 720p, I'm putting on 10 seconds.
Okay, I did not expect this to work like this. My hair has this incredible healthy glow. I am absolutely obsessed with this elixir.
So you can see that it's looking so realistic to me. I don't know what to think. Let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to download this, come back, use the same image. I'm using the same lady. I'll just click on it and I'm going to bring in the image where she's not holding anything. I mean, where she's not holding the product. Or let's just try that same image and see. So I'll upload it and then go back to the templates, the breakdown I give, copy the next shot, repaste, and then send. So I have the second shot ready. I'm going to do other shots the same way. I'll just upload the photo and, create those shots, right? So another option is to do text to image first. That is, you create the images of each of the shots before you animate them or you create videos of them. You can do it that way, right? So you can be as accurate as much as possible. So if you would like to have access to this particular template, it's just for 2,000 naira. Kindly click on the link in the description box below this video. I've done all the work for you just to modify according to your preference. So after doing all of this, the next step is to put all of them together in form of a video using CapCut. You put everything together, all your clips together and arrange them properly, do your normal edits using a video editing tool such as CapCut. And once that is done, you should have something like this.
Okay, I did not expect this to work like this. My hair has this incredible healthy glow. I am absolutely obsessed with this elixir.
Then my friend put me onto this, and honestly, I should have found it sooner. Just a few drops is all you need.
If your hair needs some love, just try it. Link is in my bio. Thank me later.